Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now if you are looking at this face for the very first time, hello, my name is Falak. I make lifestyle makeup haul videos, basically anything beauty related on this channel. And if you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also my Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram because I create very fun content there. I also did these eyes using just lipsticks on my Instagram. So if you want the tutorial for this, you have to go and check my Instagram. My Instagram will be mentioned somewhere on the screen. It is Makeup by Falak Kohli. And for today's video, we are going to be doing the Nykaa haul. As you can see, I have the tower of these boxes which I've been saving for this video. So if you want to see what I got in the Nykaa sale, which was the Super Summer Saver Days sale, then please watch the entire video till the end. And yeah, this haul is going to be amazing. Trust me, because it has all the goods that you want, reasonable as well as high end. So if you want to see what I hauled this year, then please stay with me and let's just get into the video. Before starting this video, I just want to give a little disclaimer that you don't need any of these things if you don't want it. I am a professional artist, that's why I need things like these. And what's better to shop like during the sale, right? That's why I just hauled a few things here and there. But if you like something out of these things, just wait for the sale, add into your cart, wait for the sale. Nykaa is basically on sale 12 months. Like I don't see, क्या आपने कभी देखा है नायका को विदाउट सेल? मैंने तो नहीं देखा है. अगर आपने देखा तो मुझे प्लीज़ कमेंट्स में बताओ, बिकॉज मैंने नायका को विदाउट सेल कभी भी नहीं देखा है. बट अगर आपको इनमें से कुछ नहीं चाहिए तो प्लीज़ 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 स्टे अवे फ्रॉम बाइंग. कुछ मत लो. आई एम नॉट इंडोर्सिंग यू टू बाय एनीथिंग. Just I just want to like show the things that I've bought so that you have the knowledge or the idea of the things that are in the market nowadays. So yeah, enough blabbering. Let's start with the first product. So we'll go in categories. The first category of products that I have are from the brand ELF. Now मुझे ELF से खरीदना ही था because ELF is the most talked about brand. जब से वो लॉन्च हुआ है इंडिया में, everybody is talking about the products and the quality of the products and the price of the products. Though Nykaa पे ELF काफ़ी overpriced है. That is the reason I waited for the sale and मैंने अपनी कार्ट में ऐड किया सामान and अभी लिया. So जो फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट की बात हम करेंगे वो है ELF की liquid matte lipstick in the color blushing rose. It is a superb liquid lipstick. As you can see, the applicator is amazing. It is originally priced at rupees 800, but I got it for 480, which is such a bargain. Now as you can see, the pigmentation of this is amazing. This was the only thing that I was looking for in a lipstick. Hence I wanted to try this formula and I bought it. I wanted to try this lipstick ever since it was launched because it is nude and if you know me you know कि मुझे ये कलर्स बहुत पसंद है. दूसरा, इसका जो फॉर्मूला है बहुत कंफर्टेबल है लिप्स पे. बिफोर ट्राइंग मैंने सिर्फ सुना था, बट अब जब मैंने ट्राई किया है, आई कैन अश्योर यू दैट. नाउ व्हेन आई से दैट वेट फॉर सेल्स, इट इज़ द ओनली रीज़न. नाउ आई गॉट दिस लिपस्टिक फॉर अबाउट हाफ अ प्राइस. जो नायका ने कोट किया 800, मुझे 480 में मिला. तो दैट इज़ वाई आई टेल यू कि आप कार्ट में ऐड करो एंड जब भी सेल हो तब परचेज करो. सो या, आई एम हैप्पी विद द परचेज एंड दिस वॉज माई फर्स्ट purchase. Now the next product that I got from ELF is the bite size palette. Like ये प्रोडक्ट एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो सब ने लिया है. लाइक जो भी कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स मैंने देखे, अगर उन्होंने ELF का कोई प्रोडक्ट लिया है तो ये ज़रूर लिया है. ये बाय द वे जो मैंने पैलेट ली है वो है क्रीम एंड शुगर एंड इस पे जो कलर्स है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है. जैसे कि आप स्वॉचेस में देख सकते हो, द पिगमेंटेशन इज़ अमेजिंग. आई रियली लव द गोल्ड. आई मीन मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर कलर्स लगे इनमें. बहुत ही एक ऐसी बिगिनर फ्रेंडली आई शेडो पैलेट है. द प्राइस, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द प्राइस, इसका जो एक्चुअल प्राइस है वो है 350 और जो मैंने लिया है जिस प्राइस पे वो है 280. नाउ जब ये मेरे पास आई तो मैं बहुत शॉक्ड थी बिकॉज आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग अ लिटिल बिट थोड़ी सी बड़ी थोड़ी सी लंबी पैलेट, बट ये बहुत छोटी है. इट इज़ अबाउट द साइज ऑफ माई palm. ये थोड़ी सी एक्सपेंसिव है फॉर 350, बट अगर आपको 280 तक मिलते हैं तो ज़रूर ले लो. So the last thing that I got from ELF is the ELF Poreless Putty Primer. Oh my god, everybody was raving about this. बहुत मिक्स्ड ओपिनियन थे इस प्राइमर के बारे में. ये जो प्राइमर है इट इज़ इन द वेरिएंट यूनिवर्सल शेयर. तो बहुत सारे मैंने मिक्स्ड ओपिनियन सुने अबाउट दिस प्राइमर एंड आई वाज वेरी स्केप्टिकल लाइक बिफोर बाइंग इट. बट मेरे को ट्राई करना था फॉर माई स्किन कि मेरी स्किन पे ये कैसे वर्क करता है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, योर गर्ल फाउंड हर फेवरेट प्राइमर. आई मीन oh my god, it works so good. It blurs out your pores. It sits so well on your skin. बहुत अच्छा और बहुत लाइट वेट एक प्राइमर है. If you are an oily skin, then go for this one. This is the Universal Sheer. Now, if we talk about the price, ये क्योंकि हमेशा ही आउट ऑफ स्टॉक रहता है तो इसलिए इसका प्राइस उन्होंने स्लैश आउट नहीं किया था. ये 750 का मुझे 750 का ही पड़ा. बट आई विल टेल यू समथिंग, दिस इज़ वर्थ दिस प्राइस. बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट आपको इसमें मिल जाता है. इट इज़ 21 ग्राम. अबाउट हाउ इट इज़ एक्चुअली लाइक अ पट्टी. तो ये आपकी स्किन पे, एंड एज यू कैन सी कि मैंने यूज़ किया है. दिस इज़ द ओनली प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम द इंटायर हॉल जो मैंने यूज़ किया है एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. एंड या, इफ़ यू वांट टू गिव इट अ ट्राई देन आई give it a thumbs up. Just go and try it once for your skin. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, because people have different opinions, so I can't be telling you if it suits you, but for sure मुझे ये बहुत पसंद आया. So before moving on to the next brand, let's talk about brushes now. I mean, for a makeup artist, it is very important to have good eye brushes, and I have Morphe, Sigma. I love pack brushes, so therefore, I mean, मेरे पास बहुत सारे पैक के फेस ब्रशेस और आई ब्रशेस हैं इंडिविजुअल. बट आई वांटेड टू ट्राई अ सेट जो कंपनी ने खुद से क्यूरेट किया हो. सो देयरफॉर आई बॉट द पैक का आई सीरीज सेट. इट इज़ इन द पैक ऑफ 8. सो यू गेट 8 ब्रशेस इन दिस सेट. थिंग इज, इट इज़ सच अ क्लासी ब्रश set because it comes in a very good pouch, as you can see. Now once you open this pouch, the brushes come in this leather pouch which has pack written on it, so it looks very professional. If you are going to do your client's makeup, it looks really professional. Now once I open this pouch, I have all the beautiful eye brushes which are required. As you can see, it has a flat shader brush in 2 sizes, an angled brush, blending brushes, और इसके साथ आपको पेंसिल ब्रश और एक eyeliner brush भी मिल जाएगा. If you are confused as to what to buy in the starting in terms of brushes, your hunt is over. Okay, and Pack is any day a very good company, so you won't regret the purchase that you've made, because quality of the brushes are really amazing. I've tried a lot of brushes from them in terms of face and eye brushes. और अगर हम इसके प्राइस के बारे में बात करें तो इसका प्राइस ओरिजिनली है 2925, बट ये जो मुझे पड़ा है वो पड़ा है 2633 रुपीज़ में, विच इज़ 2600 अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, और ओरिजिनल प्राइस था 2900 अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. तो इतना ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट नहीं है, पर फिर भी 300 I've saved, तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी. तो इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन, विल आई रिकमेंड यू टू बाय दिस for sure if you are a beginner, and if you want good quality brushes, don't spend on the cheap brushes that you get from Amazon, or don't spend on the brushes which you get from different Chinese websites. Please don't do that, because वो आपको किसी काम नहीं आएंगे. तो अगर आप इन्वेस्ट करो, थोड़ा सेव करो और एक गुड अमाउंट कलेक्ट करो एंड गुड सेट ऑफ ब्रशेस लो जो आपको काफ़ी देर तक चले. एंड दैट इज़ माई प्रो टिप टू यू, दैट प्लीज़ invest in good quality brushes and your eyeshadow game will change. Trust me on that. So since हम brushes के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, so the next brush that I want to talk about is from Plume. This is the P12 brush. It is the small smudger pencil brush from their brand. Now Plume का brush मैंने एक पहले भी यूज़ किया था, तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा था. था, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई थॉट कि मैं ये ट्राई करूँगी. एज यू कैन सी अभी भी ये पैक्ड है और मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया है. सो इफ़ यू टेक अ क्लोजर लुक, द ब्रिस्टल्स आर रियली सॉफ्ट. इट इज़ अ लॉन्ग स्मजर ब्रश. तो इसकी जो टिप है वो थोड़ी लॉन्ग है यूजुअल पेंसिल ब्रशेस से, और ये चीज़ मुझे बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि ये बहुत ही प्रिसाइज वर्क में आपको हेल्प करती है. जो आप क्रीज में ब्लेंडिंग करते हो उसमें बहुत हेल्प करता है. इन ऑर्डर टू क्रिएट क्रिएटिव आई लुक्स ये बहुत एक अच्छा ब्रश है. And I do recommend this, but if you are not a makeup artist and if you are a starter, you can totally skip onto the brush. Talk about the price of the brush. It is for 300 actually. Like the actual MRP is 300 rupees, but I got it for 240 rupees. So if you are planning to buy brushes from Plume, then you can definitely purchase brushes from them, but always wait for the sale. As I have been telling you time and again, few of the brushes are a little on the steeper side, but some are really good quality and at an affordable price. Definitely worth it. Their brushes are really soft and good quality, so it is a thumbs up from my side. Now the next brush that I want to talk about, which is the last brush of this haul, is from the brand Nykaa. Now Nykaa also does really good brushes. It comes in a pouch like this. It is their contour blush. Now it is a little angled, if you can see. I'm so sorry for it being dirty. Actually I used this, and yeah, but the bummer was this. As you can see, the shape is distorted. Hair of the brush are like coming out. पता नहीं ऐसे क्या बाहर से को आ रहे हैं. तो when I saw this brush, I got really upset because it is a little expensive in terms of brushes. It is for 600 rupees, which is a little expensive for the brushes. I was really upset, but it works really well. If you talk about the quality of the brush, Nykaa के brushes मेरे पास दो है. एक मेरे पास blush brush है और एक ये मैंने अब लिया है, and it is a really nice brush. Bristles काफ़ी soft हैं, and the application is very smooth. And yeah, if you want to skip onto this brush, you can definitely, you can use a regular powder brush for your contour as well. But yeah, it's a little angled, as you can see. Angular brush है थोड़ा सा, but you can definitely buy it if you want to experiment. But if not, then you can totally skip this one. ब्रशेस से थोड़ा हटके अब हम पैलेट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, जिसके लिए एक्चुअली ब्रशेस चाहिए, लाइक आई ब्रशेस चाहिए. तो जो मैंने पैलेट बाय करी, ये ना मेरी कार्ट में काफ़ी देर से थी, एंड मैं हमेशा इसको ना स्किप करती रहती थी या विश लिस्ट में डालती रहती थी, बट मैंने कभी भी इसको लिया नहीं. बट दिस टाइम I really was intrigued with the color palette. I don't know, I really am digging neon colors, as you can see at the moment, and I bought this palette finally. It is the Nykaa K Pop Neon color palette in the shade Oh Honey, and I really wanted this palette for so long. As you can see, the color scheme is really amazing. The swatches of it, oh my god, the foiled shadows and the mattes are extremely pigmented. What actually made me buy this palette is this green shade that I absolutely love, and another shade is this pastel light yellow shade, and this foil. I absolutely love this palette. Now it is a very beginner friendly palette as well. You can create a very basic look out of it because it has the brown color, which is such a good color in my opinion, and a crease color, and you get this lid colors as well. If we talk about the price of this, it actually retails for 700, but I got it for 350. But however, there is one thing which is so fishy to me, like I cannot wrap my head around it. The sticker behind it says that it is from Hawk Makeup. So I don't know if they are the partners or if they trade their goods from there. I really have no idea, but I got it from Nykaa, but the sticker says that it is from Hawk Makeup. So yeah, that's the only thing which was like, ask me about if you should buy it. I would say go ahead if you like colors, if you like a pop of neon and not the pop of colors, then you can definitely go and buy the e.l.f. one and skip on to this. So yeah, that's my review for it. Now let's move to the next palette that I bought. Talking about palettes, now we'll start with another brand. Now it is the brand Swiss Beauty. Beauty. I know a lot of you love this brand, and therefore I wanted to try a few products from there. I have tried the lip liners. By the way, the lip liner video is up on my YouTube, and it is such a big hit on my channel. So if you want to see that video, I will be linking this video on the screen. You can directly click on the link and can view that video, but later, like after watching this video, you can go back to that video and view it. And by the way, I'll be mentioning every product and the price in the description bar for you all, so that you don't worry about the links and from where to buy. So I'll definitely be adding the links in the description for your ease. Now let's move to the brand now. The first product from Swiss Beauty is another palette. If you'd ask me why I bought this palette, it is basically I wanted to do a one brand tutorial, and I've not tried any palettes from Swiss Beauty, therefore I've bought this. Now it is quite colorful, and as you can see, the color swatches, it is not that impressive in terms of swatches. I have to dig in the colors slightly harder than usual. You can definitely skip onto this palette if you want, but for the price it is for $229, and I got it at the same price. I think this is the palette that I got off the sale. I'm not too sure, but I received the packages together, so I'm not too sure if it was the sale product or I bought this before or after the sale. I'm not too sure about that, but the product price is $229 and there wasn't any discount on it. For the beginners, I would recommend this if you want to try the colorful eye looks, and once you ace the colorful eye looks, you can definitely buy the expensive version, but for the beginners, yes, it's a good buy. Another palette that I got from Swiss Beauty is the Ultra Glow highlighter and the contour palette, and the bronzer palette, I'm sorry, and it is in the shade 03. Now if I talk about the pigmentation is quite good, so it is really nice for a beginner, but if you don't like the specks of glitter in your bronzer, then you can definitely skip this. I bought this because I wanted to try the full face of makeup using Swiss Beauty products. If I talk about the price, the actual price is 350 rupees and I got it for 280 rupees, which is good price for a palette like this, because it's a full face palette. You get a bronzer, you get a blusher, and you get a highlighter. Now the blush in this is not something that I really like. I really don't like my blushes to have that chunky glitter feel or some sort of glitter, but I can definitely use this as a blush topper. So I'm excited to be using this. Actually, I wasn't too sure if I would like it, but somehow I am excited to use it. I have not made my opinion on this one, but once I will do the full face of makeup using Swiss Beauty products, you'd know my review better on this one. So yeah, for this I really am excited to be using. Okay, so we have come to the end of the haul. So the last product that I got is again from the brand Swiss Beauty. I wanted to try their lipstick, and the lipstick that I got is, the name of it is mouthful. So it is the Swiss Beauty Ultra Smooth Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Coffee. Wow, that was quite a mouthful. And as you can see, I again ordered something nude, and this is very brown. I won't call it a nude, but yes, it is in terms of brown. You can definitely add a center color which is lighter and can work it. It is actually a little dark color for me, I won't lie. I was expecting it to be a little lighter, but when it came, it was like in your face brown, more of a brown than nude. I was somehow expecting this color, the color that you see on the bottom of the lipstick. I was expecting this color to arrive, but unfortunately the color that came is brown. So yeah, I have to work with it, and definitely I'll be telling you about how I like it. Oh, did I tell you about the price? Okay, so it retails for $199 originally, but I got it for 159 rupees. It is good price. Like, Swiss Beauty products are quite reasonable and pocket friendly. I am not too sure if I'd like this color or not. This is quite dark for my liking, but we'll work this. Yes, that is it for my Nykaa's haul. I'm very excited to be using every product from this haul, I've just used the Poreless Putty Primer from e.l.f. I couldn't resist myself from using it. But yes, if you want anything from this haul that I've mentioned, the links will be in the description, so you don't have to go and search for the products. You can directly click onto the link and you'll be taken to the product directly. And yeah, if you like the video, then please don't forget to like this video, comment down below and tell me which was the product that you actually loved and you're planning to buy. Please don't go out for shopping. Just shop online if you want. If you feel the need to shop, don't look at others and buy the things which you don't need. Don't be an impulsive buyer and hoard goods which you don't need. I will definitely be using all of these products for sure. If you like this video, then please don't forget to press the like button and comment down below. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I post my new video. I think that is it, and I will end the video and I'll take your leave now. So until next time, take care, stay home, stay safe, and bye.